In today's video, we're going to talk about the Mercedes Benz P0523 engine code. If your check engine light is on and you're seeing this code, make sure to watch till the end. The P0523 code means engine oil pressure sensor or switch high voltage. In simple terms, the oil pressure sensor is sending a higher than normal voltage signal to the ECU. Here are the most common causes. 1. Faulty oil pressure sensor. 2. Short circuit to power and wiring. 3. Damaged or corroded connectors for using wrong oil type or very thick oil. 5. ECU issue, rare case. If your car has a P0523 code, you may notice 1. Check engine light on. 2. Oil pressure warning light on. 3. Unusual engine noise for reduced engine performance. 5. In some cases, engine stalling. It indicates that the engine computer reads a signal from the sensor that is either too high or too low in relation to the manufacturer's parameters. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0523 error code. Method A. Oil change. Locate the oil drain plug on your vehicle and place an oil collection pan underneath it. Use a socket ratchet to remove the plug from the oil pan on your vehicle. Once the plug is removed, the oil should start flowing out into your collection pan. Once all the oil is drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it back on. The oil filter is usually located beside the oil pan or under the hood of your vehicle near the engine. Place the collection pan under the filter. There would be oil in the filter itself that could be hot, so it is important that the oil goes into the collection pan. Spread a bit of fresh oil evenly on the new filter's gasket. Then install the new oil filter. Tighten the filter an additional 3/4 of a turn. Be sure not to over-tighten. To fill the vehicle with fresh oil, you should first locate your oil fill cap at the top of the engine. Clean the cap before removing it. Take the cap off and place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of oil specified in your owner's manual, and then replace the cap. After the oil change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your oil pressure up and recheck your oil level. To check oil levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick and pull it out again. The oil should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more oil. If your oil levels are good, replace the dipstick and shut the hood. Place the used oil from your collection pan into an airtight container with a screw-on cap. Make sure the oil is cool before transferring to the container. Used motor oil can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. Method B. The oil pressure sensor. The oil pressure sensor is most often mounted in the engine block or the cylinder heads. Carefully remove the oil pressure sensor from your vehicle. Visually check the oil pressure sensor's electrical connections and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, replace the oil pressure sensor. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0523 error code. Do not ignore this code. Incorrect oil pressure readings can lead to serious engine problems if left unresolved. The P0523 code is usually caused by a sensor or electrical issue sending high voltage signals. Proper diagnosis will help fix the problem quickly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which engine code you want next.